while assembling your bullpup model is notice there's a hardware kit. So the first thing you're going to do is take your left housing body and your Picatinny rail, and you're going to place that Picatinny rail onto the left housing body. Next, you're going to insert your charging handle into the left housing body and then slide that forward. Next, you're going to grab your barrel grip, and it's going to fit into those small holes. So there's pegs on the grip, and then there's holes on that housing body. After you've inserted your barrel grip into the holes at the bottom of the housing body, you'll take your slip ring and feed that into the hole on the left housing body. Then you'll take your right housing assembly, and the pegs on the right housing assembly will line up with the pegs on the left housing assembly. When you snap those two together, it will keep the slip ring and the grip in place. Next, you're going to take your 3 screws, and you're going to screw those into the right side of the housing body. Then you're going to push together the stock and the housing body. There's a stock release on the right-hand side of your goat gun. And there you go. Next, you can load your dummy rounds into the mag. Insert your mag into your goat gun. And there you have it.